Hey guys, how's it going? How to see X or Twitter comments. So first of all, just go ahead to your App Store or Google Play. And what you're gonna do, you're gonna just click on your avatar icon at the top right and just click on the settings. In the settings, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just type X basically, and you're gonna just go ahead and double check if the X needs to be updated. And as you can see, if there is a new update, just go ahead and update it. So basically what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just demonstrate real quick. I'm gonna just go ahead right here to my Twitter, and basically let's say for example I posted like this kind of a post. You're gonna be able to see the comment within here, or you could just see it in the notification at the below right corner. Basically you're gonna be able to see all of the notification regarding your post, or someone follows you or whatever. Or you can just click the mentions right here. Basically you're gonna be able to see who commented on your on your post or Twitter tweet, sorry, in X, right? So basically that's it. Let's read on the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you